Welcome everyone, welcome. How is everybody doing? Well, seems like we have some movement in New York and we're back. So the New York session. Hey Tom, we hedging what, PPI? No. I'm not doing anything like that. Right now the only thing I'm doing is just waiting. Let's see. So I'm not going to hedge it. Definitely not. The cheap sales promotion is off. So not wasting more evaluation accounts. I stacked up if you want, but I don't want to waste them right now. I mean, I could, but I don't know. Have to check what do we expect here. You want to go some full YOLO time or something? It might be. What is happening? Let me check. YOLO bullish, right? I don't know. I really don't know. What are the numbers? What do we expect currently from this move? PPI number expecting lower. Price of finished goods expecting good numbers, right? General price of finished goods and services sold by producers. Oh, that's not good. Change the price of finished goods and services sold by producers. So cheaper price is not good for producers, right? I'm guessing. Unemployment claims. Who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Okay. What did we have previously? More unemployment. Could be happening, like not so good news, but I don't want to hedge it and I don't want to throw in some crazy trades here. I mean, it would be possible to trade that, but I don't know. I'm gonna stay on the sidelines, I think. I'm going to stay on the sidelines at this point. The thing that can happen here is maybe even going higher. Look at the new contract as well. Looks so bullish. Bullish as F. We're above the VWAP, shifting higher on the 5-minute. That was a beautiful trade. Of course, it was, well, let's just say it was a little bit crazy here, but look at this, right before the New York kill zone. A beautiful long setup that I didn't take. Could have taken it, but it is what it is. It is what it is. What else is here? I don't see anything else. The 15 minutes shifted as well. Beautiful shift, I must say. Gonna take out this high. It's pretty bullish. It just has to. This is an order block. It's gonna get broken. Only a few points. I think it's gonna break it before the news. It should be breaking it before the news. I'm gonna put a line there. Here for 8:30 news. Then bad. I see. All right. Well, then at least you will know that you're going to be done very fast with this one. We should be taking that buy side liquidity, which is a 15-minute order block. 15-minute bearish order block. Bearish order block high. So I'm waiting for that. It's also, no, it's not a 5-minute. 15-minute, maybe 1 hour. Let me zoom it out. No, it's not a 1 hour. 15-minute, yeah, that's correct. 15-minute bearish order block to the left. Back to the order block without a sweat. Not reacting to the price currently. Everybody's waiting for the news. Do we have anything after that? Nothing. Treasury Secretary Yellen. Okay. Bond auction. Okay, that can move a little bit. I'm gonna put a fib tool here just to see the possible retracement levels. Sorry, pullback levels in this case. Mid-level would be at 625 on the June contract. And it would be somewhere around 889 on the September. Is this a September contract, right? All right. Let's see. J-ho! I think data at Aether is going to take us down. Yeah, it could be bad news. More unemployment claims. The change in price of produced goods. If you think about it, it might be not good for those who are in the producing business or produce business. Is that a way to say it? I don't know how to say it in English. Because they can't really sell their produce in a good price. Also, more unemployment could be bad news, actually. Could be bad. Still, if it's bad news, 35, it shouldn't be dropping much more than like at the bottom of this order block or this whole move. So if I look at it from this viewpoint, yeah. Okay, we have every possibility outlined here. We're gonna wait it out and see. All right. Nothing. Checked everything, but there is nothing. Let's look at financial juice. Yellen speaking already? All right. Nothing extra. Gonna wait this one out. Not much we can do. Retracing back. Very good. Very, very good. Boom. 2 likes, sus. Servus, üdvözöllek. Welcome. Gabor Dehan. Welcome to the stream. Drop those likes. Thank you, guys. So, the neighbor is cutting the grass. I think this is the 3rd time this week, so he's on schedule. He's on schedule. Third time. Let's make money. Money. A lot of money. A lot of profits. Oh man, I wish I would have the balls to go in with minis on a funded account, but you know, I just don't. I can't do that. I can't do that, man. I can't. I wish to make some real good money, but I just can't. I mean, not that much from a single trade like you do. Soon, yeah. Gabor is like killing it. 1 trade, $1,500. That's it. Makes a few trades a day and goes on. That's it. So I decided that one of these days I'm gonna walk down to my neighbor and I'm gonna talk with him. You should join Stocklock Discord server, where in Bag Collector the moderator always claim a winning trade. All right. Hello, Szilárd. Let's go full margin on PPI. And I'm not doing that right now. The cheap sales is over, so I don't want to waste too many accounts on this. He never loses. That's awesome. That's awesome, Air Trader. Elvis, welcome. Hello. Good to see you. Never losing. Guys, I could do that, by the way. I could do that. It's very simple to do. It's super simple for a streamer to fake everything. I would be just buying, you know, lots of evaluation accounts, and before the news or after the news or market open or whatever, I would be just opening positions with high leverage on both directions. And the one that's in a good win, I would show it on screen. And you guys would see it like, oh my god, you're in such a huge profit. I would do that also with the funded accounts, because I would be always having funded accounts stacked up. That's how they do it. Many cases, right? Stacked up funded accounts in the background and you know, just show the one that's are in profit. That's how it works. Dog is barking. The neighbor is cutting the grass 3rd time this week. I know I said it a few times, guys, but hey, my neighbor is cutting the grass 3 times in a week. 3 times. Usually Tuesday, Wednesday. So he does like a marathon for 2 days. But now he's on extra marathon, like Tuesday, Wednesday. This is the 3rd day in a row that he's cutting the grass. So that's true. Yeah. I have 1 account at a time. It's called OCD. Maybe Serdar. Yeah. I mean, it's no joke, guys, really. The guy is cutting it 3 times a week. I don't know what to say to him. But I think it feels good to him, so I let him do that. He needs a girlfriend. The Viagra, maybe. Is it raining? Let's see. It's cloudy. It's absolutely cloudy out there. The weather is cloudy, if that counts anything. It is cloudy. Cloudy weather. You know, I thought I'm going to unbutton my shirt here, but then I'm going to look like David Hasselhoff, so I decided not to. The last days. Oh yeah, it was raining. It was raining. For the past few days, it was raining like hell. So, dog is barking. Everything lined up to be bullish in this market, by the way. I don't like, thank you. Everything lined up. He's like 80. No, he's not 80. He's just 70 something, I think. I mean, listen, David Hasselhoff, I mean, you know, Knight Rider, Baywatch, I mean, he's the one, you know. He's the one. Full margin on Apex, 300k. Let's go, Mohammed. Let's go. All right, news are coming out in 20 seconds. Can I get a chart here? All right, this is the 5-minute chart. I'm not gonna change it. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift off. Boom. What is happening? Jesus. Okay, going up, going up. 30, 60, 30 points instantly up. Pushing it. Look at that. Should have entered on this one. Pushing, pushing, pushing. 1 to 2 risk to reward is done. And here was the perfect entry that I did not take. Wow. I could have traded this one. Look at this. The move is done, guys. That was the move for today. Thank you for watching. See you next week. This was the move. This was the move. Perfect. It was a perfect trade. But of course it was news. Spiked higher, new all-time high again. How surprising. Look at that. The high on the new contract is right at 950. To the tick at 950 on the new contract. The old contract went up to 690. That's it. The session is screwed again. We're effed up. That's it. We have to wait for 3 more hours to get a setup, so that's it. MC, hey there. I'm 45 level. That one in last night, they saved it for data. Yeah. Thank God I closed my short. Oh, nice, nice online safety. The market is twerking. Oh, yeah. Bulenox having discounts off. Does that apply to activation fee? The activation fee was always the same. So for the 50k account, it's $148. The discount is 83%, by the way, right now. But I'm gonna check it again. Buley. They updated the code during the night time. Yeah, 83% currently on the option 1 accounts. The option 2 accounts is 70% off. So, what a move, yeah. So the 90% is over across the board everywhere, but 83% is still good with Bulenox, I think. So you can check it out. Option 1. Yeah, what a move this was. Ladies and gentlemen, this was an interesting move. And the problem that this caused here is that we made a new all-time high. Let me delete this. New all-time high. It took every liquidity has been swept on the upside. Also on the downside here. There's nothing to do. Guys, at this point, if you enter a trade, even on the 1-minute chart, that would be pure gambling. Look at the 1 minute. This is pure gambling entering into a trade. It's a coin flip. That's why I said the whole New York session, the complete New York AM session is done. It's done because the end of the kill zone is here at 11 AM. It's done. It's done. Everything. The only thing that can happen here, maybe, is form some kind of a structure and go down. Maybe. Maybe. That's the only thing that can happen. Otherwise, we're done. A knife. Yeah, I call it 50-50 rule, yeah. Big, beautiful red knife. that could be something that should be happening. We still have the sell side liquidity. Look at what happened during the London session. It was after the kill zone, but look at that. Almost took out the Asia low there from yesterday. It didn't go down. It was very close. Tried once more, then went up. Shifted once, 2 times. New high. So what the hell does it want to do? I have no idea. The new contract is near at 20,000. 20,000. That's a historical whole number. So must keep an eye to that. Also, the high of this candle was spot on to the tick to 950. What does that mean? Who the hell knows? I don't know. But I think there is no stopping Nasdaq until we're not reaching 20K on the new contract. There's absolutely no stop. We're so close. It's gonna go for it, and it's gonna be very fast. It's gonna be spiking up like super crazy. It's gonna get manipulated. Time to feed the cats. I already fed them today, so they are well fed and they're hiding. I have to do something about them. I have to do something about them. Ha 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 ha. We are done. We are done in this AM session. It's like, what the hell we can do here? No setup. The only thing we can do is wait. Bond trades, welcome. Where am I from? I'm from Hungary. Hungary, Europe. Not Budapest, but we have Budapest as capital, of course. I live like 85, 90 kilometers south from Budapest. Yes. Good to see you here. Bond trades, where are you from? If I may ask. Hey, have you heard of fast track trading? Somebody mentioned it. Finland, we're cousins, bro. We're cousins, you know, brothers from like 1100 years ago. So we are brother from another mother, right? But not the same father. Old folks, yeah. We are old cousins, Hungarians. And is that how they say it? Finnish people or Finland? Finnish people. Yes, old folks. Look at this retracement. Sorry, pullback. I always say retracement. Difficult languages. Yeah, they say that the Finnish language and Hungarian language are one of the most difficult languages in the world, which is, I think it's true. Maybe the Chinese could be like that kind of difficult. I think so. So I heard of fast track trading, but somebody mentioned it. It's like instant funded account. You can buy a funded account for $300. You don't have to do the evaluation phase. Chinese, yeah, the Chinese too. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. So the Chinese is difficult too. So what you can do here, if you have the balls, is to enter on a long and target the 20K. How about that? Enter a long and go for the 20. Actually, I could do that. I could do that with one contract just for fun, right? Can I do that? I'm not going to do that. Or should I do that? Man, I think I missed my entry. Where is... I wanted to enter with one micro, but I missed my entry to a long. And I'm not going to, because I just missed it. Damn it. Micro. Are we gonna go down? Look at that. Wow. There is no language called Chinese. Oh, sorry. It's called Mandarin. Instant funded sounds like a scam. Yeah, it's I mean, how do they I mean, depends, you know, because lots of people just wants to buy into those accounts. So I'm not sure. What if it's not a scam? I mean, I think it's a scam, but but what's the business model with that one? I don't know. I would be interested. By the way, I took along with 1 micro on one of my funded accounts. Anyway. I only risk like 60 bucks, so it's fine. Chinese has 7 accents. Oh. Quick scalp, short 30 points. Nice. Guys, it's so difficult to read this. There's absolutely... I mean, I have absolutely no clue of where can this go. All right, never mind. I'm closing this. Okay, I closed it. It's gonna go down anyway, I think. Lost like 20 bucks. It's fine. It's fine. Liquidity sitting at 580. Could be. That's the problem here. Is that we don't know. I mean, look at the 15-minute bar. Oh, wow. Look at the 15-minute. Look at this huge wick. Could this mean that this one wants to go lower? Structure shift below this wick. I'm going to have to delete this. Sell side liquidity is still there. Looks like it could be a structure shift, right? On the 1 minute, could be dropping down here. I'm not trading the 1 minute because I lost too much in the recent weeks. So for now, I'm going to stick with the 5 minute, but yeah, liquidity is sitting at 580. It definitely seems like it wants to take it out. Even on the new contract, although we have a gap here, but still the more volume is on the old contract still. So I guess the cheapest account right now is the Bulenox and TopStep, yeah. Bulenox and TopStep. Bum, 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 bum. Look at that. Heading lower. $632. Yeah, it's like 20 points. It's gonna make it. You want me to play it? I think I have it somewhere. Okay, guys. This is This is many of the day traders during the news or before the news, right? Yeah, that's the truth. This is so true. There's another one. That was very good for yesterday. Where is the Powell? This is it. Oh, that's the one. So here's the one for Jerome Powell. This was a few people yesterday at the Powell speech.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, he just says good afternoon and there you go. That's what happens usually when Powell's comes into play. I mean Powell, sorry. Rhythmic not working. Come on, what the heck? Let me check. Let me go and check my connection. I'm connected so far. Let me put a trade on. It works. I'm connected. But now that you're saying it, I'm afraid to disconnect. Could not close my trades over the news. Oh, so it was a news issue. Yeah. I imagine that Rhythmic could be having this stuff. We're going down, by the way, to the news candle low. I'm guessing it's the same thing. It can't handle the data during the news. That could be the thing. Dang it. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Question is it gonna go lower to take out the news low or not? At Bulenox, by the way, the data is, I mean, the connection is fine. No issues so far. So, I don't know. Can go higher. Reclaim the highs. I mean, the gaps at 655. We don't know that. Could not close the trades, yeah. So, I don't know. It's definitely not only like an Apex issue. It's coming from the Rhythmic servers, I think. At least there was a fair explanation before. I mean, the other day they said they need to add more servers to handle all the data from Apex, especially during news time. So just watching here, checking if price wants to take out the news low here. But I am definitely going to wait for the market open. Stuck in an NQ buy. Oh, close to blowing your account. I think what they're going to do, L, if this is a wide issue, let me check something for you, all right? I think yeah. So currently at 20% due to resetting. Able to and the problem needs to be addressed, unsolved, blah 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 blah. So yeah, no update yet. Off topic, everything has been disabled again on Discord. So I think they know about the issue. I wouldn't be surprised that they would reset everyone again, and I think they will, because the same just happened. Could not close the GC trade. Oh, it's also now it's like a ghost trade. Oh, they should reset it. It feels bad that they're having all these technical issues, but I think like 90% that they're going to reset everyone again, and hopefully over the weekend they're going to solve everything. Look at that, we're going down. Oh. On the other hand, TopStep and Bulenox, I'm connected to Bulenox and TopStep currently. No issues with rhythmic connection. So, third week in a row, yeah, that's not good. And I know it's frustrating. I don't know what to say really. I wish they would solve these technical issues once and for all. Just appeared live again. Wow. Yeah, I had the same thing on Monday, I think. Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. So I think they will reset it again. That is kind of a good news. So they're not doing like, oh, that's what happened then, you know, there you go. But they're really going to reset just as they did before. I think they will do it again. That's my personal opinion. So this just sucks. I know. It sucks. That is why the Discord has been disabled again. Constantly having all these issues. All right, so let's go to the 5 minute. Let's check the new contract on the 5 minute. I think we're gonna go above 950. I think it's still super bullish. Let's go. Yeah, look at the 15 minute. Oh my god. 15 minute up there. Let's look at, this was the swing low, that was the high. Actually, optimal trade entry would be down there. So on the 15 minute, it looks good for a long. I know it sounds weird, but it's not a perfectly beautiful long position, but it's good for a long. Look at this. Yeah. The 15 minute is good to go long. All right. All right. It's the waiting game again. What happened with gold? Ooh, went up nicely. All right. 15 minute did not change structure. The 5 minute did. Quite interesting. On the 1 hour, there was an order block that has not been taken out. Look at the 1 hour. It's an order block. I'd like to see this go down, damn it. I'd like to see this go down. It'd be so nice. But there's no structure. Good morning, Jacqueline. Tom, did you make good money from yesterday? I didn't trade the FOMC press conference or anything. I stayed aside, so I mean, it was a little bit too much risk for me. So I took the best position, which was a guarantee by not putting on a trade. I was watching it, by the way. I was studying price action and I was watching it, but I didn't pull the trigger on anything. Yeah, the market was crazy, especially after the 4 p.m. close. Like, it went up like 150 points after 4 p.m. I told you along the dips. Yeah, JO. 20k incoming. I fully believe that 20k is like Thanos, inevitable. Do we have a Thanos picture? Okay, this should do it. Download. Okay. All right. Here you go. I am inevitable, right? No. Can I put a text? There you go. Much better. Okay, so this is where we're heading. On the new contract. Just saying. What's the number on the old one? I have no idea. It would be somewhere at, I'm just guessing, like 150. So it's 50 points up. I would say somewhere at 740-ish. Somewhere there at 740-ish area. Yeah. That's where we're heading. That's what's happening. Spiker. Yeah. You know, trying to keep it real. Another super pump at the open? I don't know. It can just dump all the way down as well. And this is just for the new contract. Oh, what did I do? This is just for the new contract, basically. So... Come on, Thanos. We need space for the magnet here. All right. Mike, hey there. Do you keep on because of the contract change? Yes, it's turned on right now. Currently, it's below the counter, but it's on. I think it's gonna be switched on Monday, Friday. I don't know, but it's on. Currently, this other one. This is the old contract. Most of the volume is on the old contract. You can check it on the CME Group website still. Yesterday, this report is from yesterday. Most of the volume was still on the June contract. So, but you can see that it's increasing, and this one, I mean, this is increasing, this one is decreasing. So it's definitely shifting to the September, but I would have to guess that the majority of the volume is still on the June contract today. So, is there a minimum trading days on MyFundedFutures expert account? No, I mean, you have to push the button once every week. It's in the fine print. They don't talk about it all that much, but it's not difficult. You have to push the button once every week. You have to flip once every week, but I flip all my accounts once every week with a micro. So that's all, but no minimum trading days. No minimum trading days. That's very important. So if you make $10,000 on your funded account, all is required is to trade once a week. And, you know, submit your payout. It's bi-weekly payouts. So what else is here? We are waiting. Nothing to do. I think I'm going to give a thicker line. Oops. Here. I think we see upside still on NQ. I'm gonna see 20K. Yeah, I think a lot of traders want to see 20K. It would be history, but it could be happening tomorrow. Don't forget, Fridays are the rally. So 2027, 20,027. Okay. I wouldn't be against the sweep of the 6 a.m. lows. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we are still bullish, very much. So, but nothing on the 5-minute, nothing on the 15-minute. Market is just going to wait until the open and maybe a little bit longer after that. So what do I have here on my accounts? I do have a Bulenox. All right. Let's see. We are definitely bullish. Any more news today? There's gonna be a Treasury Secretary Yellen speaking, and bond auction. I think it will be at 1 p.m. So one is gonna be at lunch hour, I think, or something like that. I don't know. Lunch hour, and then bond auction at 1 p.m. or 2. I don't know. That's all. That's all we have. But this is trading, everyone. Push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you. And if you would like to support, use the codes and links. Some good discounts going on. Thank you. All right. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, Sir AJ, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. It's my pleasure to have you here. Pre-market swept already. High and low of London, yeah. It will be tough. Yeah, this is tough. Everything has been swept. So it's gonna be real tough. Interesting how this level, I mean this candle, the high was right to 950 on the new contract. So that has to be meaningful. I think this is a sign that this low has to be broken. That's because it retracted back unlike yesterday, yeah. Look at the 5 minute. Everybody's waiting for the move. ES swept that high, but NQ didn't. Oh yeah, I totally forgot to check on ES. I mean, NQ swept that high, sorry. Right? John Carter. Welcome. ES didn't. Will be interesting to see. Down 10, up. Yeah, uptime Maverick. Hey, good to see you, Maverick. Are wanting the 6 a.m. lows first. Could be. 6 a.m. lows. Yeah, almost got it, you know, because at the old contract it's at 582. Almost got that low. I think the new contract swept it. Hold on. No, it didn't. It didn't. All right, never mind. It didn't. So yes. Just the data high. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Please data low, yeah. All good, Maverick. How you doing? Did you have some good trades? I hope you did. Good, alright. Alright, Maverick, that's cool. So, let's see what this is going to bring us. Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. Just waiting, just waiting. Oh yeah, 610, right? Well, it's hard to say what's gonna happen here. I mean, it can go both ways. Definitely. It can go both ways. All I can think of is you gonna make dollar today. Me? Alright, thank you, Jacqueline. And after I $120 level, oh, the 20k level, oh yeah. That's how you do it, you know. Just hold it until you reach 20k. Which is gonna be somewhere at 740 for you. And that's good on the old contract. Yeah. Should be around 740. Safer to take some profits at 720, 730. Yeah. Place a little up. Yeah. A little up that magnet. Alright. Where? 32? 2032? 2020? I can't. Thanos is waiting at 20k. So, you know, he's there. I'm going to put him right at 20k. He's inevitable. You know, 2060. All right. Okay, I'm going to put a line for you there. A small line for Maverick. More power. 30k. Oh, guys, all right, let's go for 30k. If you have time sitting on the stream until next December, then or next summer, we can put it to 30k. Okay, now wait and see. Power. All right, more power. 40k. Or I'm gay. It's gonna be 40k in the next couple of years, I'm sure. It's not a question. It's a fact. Bitcoin is struggling at these 60 something thousand levels. Just reminded me, like everybody says, we're gonna reach $1 million per Bitcoin. But I don't think so. But if yes, I don't care. BTC will go to 0. I agree. I agree. I do agree. BTC will go to 0. It's gonna be a 1K plus week if it could make 20K. Really? Wow. Michael Trader, you're gonna kill it. You're gonna kill it there. What can we do? It's the waiting game. Good day, Marcus Trader. So, we have someone who sees the future. Besides Jeho. Marcus Trader, how you doing? You see Power Magnet? What do you mean, Power Magnet? Is that a movie? Or is that an something? Is that a weapon? Or what is that? Oh yeah, I mean, oh, the power of the magnet. Okay, yeah, it's going up. It's going up already. We went up at least a few points. The news. Trading the news is always a bad choice. It's always a bad choice. The problem is, by the way, yes, so many people are saying that nowadays the market is not reacting as it should for the news. Not like back in 10 years ago or even 5-8 years ago. The market is just doing quite the opposite as it should for the numbers and for the news. Why is that? Also, Nasdaq and ES, I mean, so bullish. And I was reading an article like, fundamentally speaking, you know, we have that Magic 7 company, I mean, the Magical 7 group of companies, you know, including Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, Google, and the others, I don't even know, Nvidia. So we have these biggest companies. Those are the ones that's pulling the market. Otherwise, the rest of the companies are, you know, they're struggling. They're having trouble. That's what I was reading, but it might not be true. We're due for the market crash, recession. Yeah, so everything is so priced in. Overbought, sorry. I can tell you, it's going up. It's not hard to tell. Everybody is so bullish. Like, of course it's going up. Everybody is going to go up. I mean, whatever you do in this market is just going up. Shorts are not in favor. And I don't know about the market crash. So I was reading also articles that were saying that the market crash is going to come this year, October. But I don't know. Yeah, we're waiting for that, for the open, that's for sure. I just don't know if there would be or could be any kind of setup to enter to a trade. Excuse me. Today was a long day and yesterday was a long day. Down then up, Jeho says. If down, and this is the old contract, we should be sweeping the Asia sell side. I mean, it's not far away. NQ can do that, taking that out and then going back up, right? They have been saying that from last year, yes. Check Apple, AMD, Microsoft. All going up, right? Right? Everything is going up. Well, the tech companies, I guess. The tech companies are just going up like there is no tomorrow. Yeah, NQ engine. Yeah, those are the engine. I only have NVIDIA here. Where is it? It's here. So here's NVIDIA. Extended trading hours. Look at NVIDIA. My God. All-time high. All-time high. NQ unstoppable. I guess it's too late to buy NVIDIA stock, right? I mean, just to hold. Just to hodl. What's the weekly? Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. If I would have bought NVIDIA like 1.5 years ago, or even last February, I would have doubled my investment. This is crazy. I'm going to tell you a better one. Jesus Christ. Last January, look at that. NVIDIA, last January. If I would have bought NVIDIA last January, 6 times my investment. I would be a happy camper as an investor in NVIDIA. Almost 6 times. Well, at least 5 times. What an investment. What an investment. Jesus. Unbelievable. The cost of an iPhone is around $10. No, over 1,000. Tech companies making big. Yeah, but I don't understand. So an iPhone costs how much? $1,000. But some Chinese brands, I don't want to name them because there's a bunch, but Chinese brands can make like a very powerful smartphone almost as strong as the iPhone, or maybe sometimes stronger, from on a retail price of $200 or $300. So I saw some videos on YouTube that they were comparing, I don't even know which brand was it, some Chinese brand with iPhone, and I'm not a geek, so I don't know the details that much, but they were comparing the processor, I mean the CPU, memory, whatever, camera, stuff like that, and they said that the cheaper Chinese phone is actually was better than the iPhone. So I'm guessing that basically pay for the brand. I don't know, because last time I had an iPhone it was 2012. And it was super expensive back then as well. But the Chinese will look into your personal data. I don't care. I have nothing to hide. I can send them naked pictures. I don't care. They can look into my social security, whatever they want. I don't care. I'm gonna send them personally my data. So I mean, yes, I know they can look into your data, but yeah, that's an issue, I guess. Chinese have good cost control, yeah, and massive scope of cost effect. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. That's true. I mean, what's the proof that iPhones are not accessing your data? You know, recently Elon Musk said that iPhone, if Apple implements OpenAI into their OS, they're gonna suck all your data out from everywhere, or something like that. Anyway, I think they already do that, and not just smartphones and everything. Your television, your computer, all the applications, everything, even your Frigidaire, your freezer or whatever it's called, your microwave. Everything is sucking out your information. Everything that goes with a Wi-Fi or has some smart application on it, everything is sucking out the data everywhere. We might just go live in the woods, right? Which phone I have? I have a very old phone. My phone is very old. I mean, not that old, but old. It's, how do they pronounce it correctly? Xiaomi? Xiaomi? You know, the X. Xiaomi. Yeah. So I have a Xiaomi Redmi Pro 9. So it's they have Pro 13 or 14, 15, I don't even know. I have a Pro 9. I bought this phone like 4 years ago or 5 years ago. I could buy a new phone if I want to, but I don't need a new phone. So I can call people with this one. I can check the internet with this one. I can make pictures. What else do I want? Yeah. I can do everything I want with this. It's a cheap phone. It was a cheap phone back then. Now they're not even making. I cannot get a cover for this because nothing is being made for this anymore. But still, you know, everything runs perfect. Very new PC investment. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to upgrade. We're waiting for market open, guys. That's why we're talking all that stuff right now. All my electro devices from my home are from China. Everything is from China. Even the ones that you think are not from China are from China. So I can read my emails on this phone. I can open the Facebook. I can send pictures. I can watch TikTok on the toilet. You know, TikTok on the toilet, yes. That's what it's TikTok for. It's very good. If you're sitting on the toilet, you just pick your phone and watch TikTok movies or videos. That's the best thing. You know, sad to say, but one of the most peaceful moments in my day when I go to the toilet and watching TikTok videos, right? No, it's not. The most peaceful when I go to sleep. Of course. Everybody's ready for the market open. Soon will from South Asia all major companies leave. Really? Everyone is leaving? No, really? That's new. All major companies leaving. I haven't heard of that. That's new. Interesting. Interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute chart here And we are going to watch price action. This is the old contract, but who cares, right? So everybody get prepared. The market is about to open. Be careful with the accounts. Be careful with full porting. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Market is open for business. All right. All right. Nothing is happening. Okay, nothing is happening so far. No major spike in the first few seconds. Indecision, full time. Nobody knows what the hell to do. Is it gonna go up or down? No direction. Still in the same spot. Market, okay, a little bit down. Tricky, going back into the range. Okay, what else? Still in the range. Maybe breaking lower, who knows? Who knows? Trying to. Nothing special yet. Okay, trying to break higher. No, back to the range. This is nerve-wracking. Oh my god. The tension is high. If it's not going to move away in the next couple of minutes, we can say officially that the market is just dead. I mean, nobody knows what to do. Okay, still no direction. All right, look at this candle. So far bullish. Inside of the previous one. The previous one is like a mother bar, and this is like the inside bar right now. Let's see. Still nothing. What is going on? Who knows? Another inside bar. Okay, breaking higher. Okay, broke the highs. Could be just a sweep. It's going higher. No, rejected. Back to the range. No, out again. Up, up, up. Come on. Liquidity at 55. Back to the range. Everything is going crazy right now. Liquidity at 55. The news candle low is at 610 on the old contract. ES going down. Ken, welcome. ES going down. Ken is saying the ES is going down. Jesus, holy baby Christ, ES is going down. So I guess NQ should follow, but it's not following. Let me open ES on my other screen. Yes. It's the battle of the titans here. ES wants to go down, but nobody knows what the hell is NQ doing it at the same spot. Maverick saying he's on a buy. He has the balls. He took an educated guess and he said, F this, I'm gonna go into a buy. So Maverick is in a buy, everybody. You know what to do? Fade him full port. No, I take that back. Maverick says we're gonna go higher. Still technically at the range. Got denied there. On the upside. Josef is saying check YM. He's saying YM is much better. Nasdaq is cat shit wrapped into dog shit. Oh my Jesus, holy Christ. YM is dropping. YM is dropping. Gold is up there. YM is beautiful. What a beautiful move here on YM. Okay. Let's go back to NQ. Let's check on ES as well. ES is dropping. What is NQ doing? NQ should be dropping now. Okay. Let's hope for Maverick that he's going to come out from this with some profits. I think he's sweating now, but he's holding. I can imagine Maverick, his finger is on the mouse. Maybe on the reverse button. Who knows? But we're watching. I'm flat. Let's see. Okay. Nasdaq getting weaker here, but who knows, it could be just a trick. It could be just some liquidity sweep. Don't just give up on Nasdaq yet. It could be still going up, but seems like it's a little bit weak. There you go. The wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story. And the body is still up. Alright, I'm tired of commenting. I know I sound like an idiot. I don't care. First 5 minutes passed. And nothing is moving. NQ getting weaker here. Oh no, NQ wants to take out the new candle low. Let me check. What is happening? Is it really gonna go and take out the low here? Everybody is super excited, but maybe not. I don't know. Feels like it could take it out, but it could have been just a liquidity sweep, and now it's gonna fake out everyone on the upside. Yes, back to the range. I hope Maverick is still holding this one. Back to where we all started, where it all started. Nothing. Now it feels like we're going for the 55. What a crazy price action. I'm gonna check the 30 seconds just to see what the hell is going on. Nobody knows. Okay, back to square one. Now maybe it wants to go up there. Are we gonna go for the 55s? Elvis, Doji Day. Maverick is holding still. There you go, Maverick diamond hands. Are we gonna see the 55s? Are we gonna see that 55 level? Let's see. Is there gonna be a 55? If not, what the hell are we gonna do? I don't know. Maybe he's gonna go lower. We don't know. We don't know. I think Maverick is still holding. No FOMO. No FOMO, everyone. There you go. 55 taken. 69. I don't know what that means. LEV. 69 level. All right. Maverick is holding until 69. Jesus Christ. All right. He has the balls. Maverick is holding until 69. Maybe sooner. Let's see what he does there. Come on. And the winner right now, it seems like Maverick, who had the balls to enter right after the market opened. He sees the future, or he has some connections. I don't know. But he knows that we're going to go to 69 right to the middle. Basically, this is an order block. No, it is not. Sorry, I take it back. It's not an order block, but the 69 is a good level. I do like it. Looks like we want to go bullish here. The tension is high. Yeah, Maverick is holding the mouse. With his other hand, he has his 4th Red Bull already and 2nd coffee. So He said his prayers and he's still holding onto this trade. Profit secured, stop loss moved to 640, so Maverick has nothing to lose on this day other than his pride and ego, which we know is he's a very humble and genuine guy, so he has nothing to lose because we all love him. So let's hope that Maverick's trade. We're gonna go for the TP. Oh man, and I'm flat because anyway, I didn't see any entry on my end, but I'm really hoping that Maverick's trade is gonna play out good. 640 has been secured, so let's go. Let's go, Maverick. What else is happening? Oh no, we're going down a little bit. Maverick is still very calm. Sips another shot of Red Bull and just watching the screen, no blinking of the eye. Holding the mouse button. And we're retracing, sorry, pulling back down a little bit. Not too much, just enough to reprice the next move. Trade safe, yes. Still okay, the 40 level is secured. Maverick has nothing to fear of. We're still good. 69 is possible on the old contract. All right. Let's see. What to long ES? J-Ho says he wants to long ES. J-Ho definitely knows something that we don't. Oh no, pulling back a little bit into the 40s. How far this one can go, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Still pulling down. Still pulling down. Maverick is still holding the position. Still, and I think he just got taken out with break even, or I don't even know. Maybe he secured some profits. I think he did. So close. Yeah, Maverick had the balls, did a great run, everybody. He proved that it is possible, in fact, to jump into a trade right after the open. He was holding on to it, secured the capital. So spot on diamond risk management. TP hit. Yeah, so beautiful risk management, diamond hands. It was a nice call. And now it's going up. Yeah, long here, 55.05 says J-Ho. J-Ho is going long on ES. I don't know why, but I don't care anymore since J-Ho is always right. So he says go long. So I think there is no other way for the market makers but to make up their minds and do what J-Ho says. So I think ES will be going higher. Everybody wants to go short, but J-Ho said, no, better not. We're gonna go higher. And so he took the long, and that's how it goes. But Michael just came forward but from lurking in the background and says, still hold on short position. All right, so Michael came forward, revealed himself again once more, and says, still hold on to short position. So we have a real battle of the titans here. Michael versus J-Ho versus 1-2 Tech versus I don't even know who else. So it's a real battle, up or down. Nobody can tell. I mean, these guys can tell, I can't. Oh no, look at that. The longs are sweating a little bit. The news candle low is at 610. You know, it's gravitating towards that. And the reason for that, you know, the laws of physics are good in trading as well. Because the gravity can, you know, it can take the price down. The Earth gravity can take it down. So that's definitely an advantage for the shorts. But still, you know, the bulls are fighting. They're not giving up that easy. But, you know, they're having a hard time. A real hard time. One two Tech says short NQ. He's shouting all over the place. I'm guessing 1-2 Tech right now at his home, shouting with everybody, short, short, short. You know, guys, I'm joking, right? I'm trying to entertain you because I just can't put on a position, so I need to say something. So anyway, the battle continues. The battle continues. Oh my god, look at that. The bears are coming back. The bears are coming back. It's an epic battle. Technically, we're back to where we started. Oh wow. This is getting intense. The bulls are losing steam here. Hopefully not for long for the longs. But the shorts are getting very happy, I think. They see this weakness. Hopefully they want to turn it all around. Let's see. The bulls are coming back. Trying to fight it. You know. Probably it's gonna be a range trading, yeah. Yeah. What a market, need to trade on 25-second time frame, yeah. Yeah. Look at that, the bears are pushing back. The bears pushing back. The buyers are saying, what the hell is going on? Everybody's making phone calls. The CME lines are hot right now. Actually, nobody is available to reach. Goldman Sachs guy said, screw this. We're gonna short them and then long them. So who knows? Or vice versa. Retail traders are pulling out their hairs. Oh, well. And I'm talking bullshit since the market open, which is 18 minutes. That's the longest so far. Actually not. But 18 minutes I'm talking bullshit and nothing is happening. ES is falling, says Michael Trader. Let's check. Can we believe him? If that's true, J-Ho is sweating his pants right now. Let's check it. Oh no, we are feeling with J-Ho, but I think he's holding. I think he's holding in the background, maybe adding more positions. He's DCAing in the background, right, J-Ho? I know you do that, but no, I mean, it's gonna be fine. Just get, okay. J-Ho is getting ready. Okay, J-Ho is getting ready. Come on. I want both of you guys to win. Currently, Michael Trader said short maybe, right? On NQ. I don't even know. You're still holding your short on NQ. I don't know. Anyway. Oh no, the bulls came back. The bulls came back, pushing the bears. ES is taking out the daily low, and here as NQ is now okay. ES is going to rally and catch up and make new all-time high. All right. J-Ho called out all-time highs on ES. I think this is the time to make the call, everyone. But, you know, still, it is still a huge battle between the bulls and the bears. I wish I could tell you otherwise. Please short and be my liquidity. J-Ho just shouted out to everybody, please short, be my liquidity. We are going to make a t-shirt for J-Ho, and we're going to send him as a gift. And I'm going to actually copyright that phrase, so I do like it, by the way. Please short, vice versa. Please long, be my liquidity. All right. Still ranging. Jesus, holy Christ. This is... Let me check the 5-minute chart. Barcoding. Nothing is moving. Nothing is moving, guys. Absolutely nothing is moving as it should. What do we do now? What do we do? On the 5-minute, it looks like... terrible. It looks terrible. Terrible. I have no opinion. We see the 610 as the news low. For now, it seems like the bears coming back. 30 seconds could be pushing down. Yeah, closed lower. The 30 second just made a structure shift to the downside. Be very careful, everyone. This one can be a real kicker. I'm not going to enter a trade. I'm just... I don't know. We wait. Yes. I don't know what NQ is doing, Michael. Hurry, everyone, short it. Market trader, I'm back. I told you. Trading news is always bad. I'm not trading it. I'm not trading it. I'm just waiting. I'm flat. I can prove it to you guys. I'm flat. I have no orders. Nothing. No open positions. Nobody knows what NQ wants to do. Feels like it wants to take out the news candle. But man, this is like, whoo. And market trader, with that being said, he just put on his sunglasses and says, I told you. He turns his head to the beach and says, see you guys, I'm going to the beach. Because that's what he does. You know, if everybody could have a superpower, you know, market trader's superpower is he can go to the beach. I have a superpower too. I can eat chocolate. But I don't want to do that. I want to use my superpowers for a good cause. How can I use eating chocolate as a superpower for a good cause? This question would be more you know, making more sense if I would be smoking weed. But since I'm not smoking weed, it's even more weird to ask this question. Which means I should not be sitting here, right? I don't smoke weed, J-Ho. Not anymore, but I tried it. I was not smoking regularly or anything, but I tried it. Yes, in a different life, many years ago. Trade cacao. No. I don't have the time and the energy to look into cacao. ES going down, says Jacqueline. Yeah. Well, 5-minute Nasdaq. Terrible. Near chocolate. Yeah, short term are there, y'all. What is little 5, 10 points? You're catching 50 plus. All right, you know. Every 5 to 10 points, you're catching all those profits. That's a good thing. I am just gonna wait. You know what? I'm gonna put a new webcam. I'm gonna put it to my couch, and I'm gonna lay down, and I'm gonna put some alerts on the chart. Some sound alerts, and then if it goes through some direction, I'm just gonna check the chart. That's one thing to do, right? And by the way, that's what I used to do. Like if I do something in my office or in the living room, whatever, I just set my alerts, and that's how I trade. This is actually painful. Silver bullet hour is coming. I mean, I thought that the most boring thing on the world is to watch Formula 1 on television, but this is the most boring thing in the world. All right, I think I have to check some other indicators from the market. Jesus. What is going on? All right, we're going down. It seems like it. We're not far from the 610. It's really not far from the 610, but gotta be careful. I don't know. Is it gonna really go down? Nobody knows that. Reprice that area. The news low is at 610. Who knows if it wants to go down there or not. Now it's going up. Yeah, nothing is happening. Nothing. Gold moves are killer move. I'm gonna protect my money and win by not entering the market. Yeah, absolutely. That's like one thing to do. Froyo Yolo. Hey, good morning. New here. Welcome to the channel, by the way. Welcome. I'm trading Nasdaq 95% of the time and 5% ES, but you know, we have some pretty good people on the stream that suggesting to trade gold, so I might be looking to pick up gold, especially in the London session, because I trade London every day as well. So yeah, that's what we do. And welcome again. And these are futures, by the way. I mean, I'm not trading Forex, but maybe gold futures. Look at that. Almost swept the news candle, and now we're going higher. Let's see what happens. Alright, by the way, if you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's push this to the highs. Thank you so much, guys. And if you would like to support, we have some good discounts going on. Check out the links and the codes. Thank you. What is happening? We're going back to the highs. It seems like Jeho was right all the time. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, YoYolo. Look at this. What is happening? Are we going back up there? I thought that liquidity was already swept. The problem is, on the 5-minute, there's still nothing. So until we are inside this range, it's not good to force anything here. Choppy. Exactly. Chop, chop, chop. I wanted to see the sweep on the lows, but it's still not doing it. It's still not doing it. We are still just ranging. $691, 582, I believe, is the range for today with twists. Yeah. Could be. They're gonna leave the rally for tomorrow, I think. I think that could be a play. They are going to leave the rally for tomorrow. This is just so dead. So dead. I wish it would be otherwise, but nothing to do. Marcus Trader, no problem. Thank you so much for dropping in, and hope to see you next time. Oh, awesome, awesome. No problem. You know, I just sent you for reference. Thank you so much for checking it out, and have an awesome day, Marcus Trader. Thanks for dropping in. Oh, Joseph is saying he would have made a fortune on the Dow. No setup, no trade day, yeah. And with that moment, with that move, Marcus Trader just puts on the sunglasses and walks towards the beach. It'll probably start to move when everyone gives up the hope. Yeah, exactly, Michael. That is exactly what used to happen. Everybody gives up the hope sometime in the AM session, and then during lunch hour or sometime then it's just gonna go boom, skyrocket. Yellow says, I think NQ wants to hit the news low. Yeah, that's what I think so too. Yeah, exactly. I think so too, YOLO. If I would have to put my bet on something, then I would say then I like to see the news low. But of course, it can be quite the opposite. On the 1 minute chart, it's actually a long position, but it can also fail. You know. Nobody knows. So this is a long setup. It can go higher, but if it breaks this area, then it will go to the news low. So far, it's looking good for longs, I think. But until we range like this, I couldn't tell. I just couldn't tell. This would have been a long position, by the way, officially. So could be shifting higher. Shorted. All right. Yeah, no strong displacement yet. Maybe this liquidity sweep was not enough for price. Maybe it wants more on lower levels. I don't know. Sooner or later it has to decide. Pretty much range down into a triangle here. We need some kind of a direction soon. Because this is just awful. Okay, maybe the bulls are coming back. Who knows? Trying to push. I don't know. At 1 second it feels like they want to push, the other second it feels like, I don't know. Csártokat azt hiszem igen, de nem tudom, hogy kell, az a baj. No trade for me. Yeah, good luck. Jacqueline, I think that's the best thing to do. Just stay out, yeah. Short below 614 and long above 660. That's a good plan. Szóval nem tudom, hogy kell, nem próbáltam, de szerintem lehet. Szerintem, mert vannak ilyen templaték, vagy ilyen template file, nem tudom. Láttam már sokféle beállítást, de nem tudom, hogy kell. Alright, let's see. Still unclear. Yeah, chopping. I mean, look at that. Finally, it can take out the 610. I mean, I was looking for the news candle low, which is at 610 on the old contract. It should be going. And I was not in this trade, man. But it could have gone just the other way as well. So this was a risky call. But it should take out the news low. There you go. It's been taken out. So finally, we see something happening. And with that, let's check the 5-minute chart. Sell side is at 582. Gonna wait. Gonna wait. 582 on the old contract is definitely a good target. TP2 hit. Nice, Michael. Congrats. Paint bar trading. 612. Possible testing. 575 could be. I mean, the Asia low down there at 582 is a good target. But you know, this kind of session is like, this is still not enough. And this one also can be a sweep, so it can easily bounce back up there. Stay in the range. Done for today. You got a headache from this trade. Yeah, I completely understand that. So below 600. Michael, take the day off. I think you've done enough. I think you've done enough, you know. I think you've done enough, Michael. Take the day off. This was a scene from Miami Vice, you know. You've done enough, Michael. Take the day off. You're welcome, Michael. Thanks for joining the stream, by the way. I mean, you can stay forever if you want. All right, here's the news low. You're long. Okay, YOLO says he's long. Okay. Okay. Going long on the bounce, I think. I mean, YOLO, that's what he's doing. It's going a little bit lower. Maybe it's going to take out the 582. It's not far to sweep some liquidity, even for the longs. 10 points. Super easy. sweep liquidity, and then go up. Who knows? But it's very close. Very, 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 very close. Did it go lower? Not yet. Still didn't take that level. So also can make a double bottom here. Careful if you guys want to short it. Could be good for a scalp, but I said short below 614. There you go. Yeah. DM was actually right. You were right. DM, nice call there. Nice call. Checking the 30-second just to make sure what's happening. Yeah, so there's an opportunity to go short for the scalpers on the 30 seconds, but it's very risky. Since we're down here, it can be bouncing quite much. And we have quite a gap to the upside on the 5-minute to reprice, so be careful. I don't have an entry. I have nothing here. I think it's gonna take out the 82, but I don't know. Should be taking out the 82 is what I think. Maybe I should trade it on the Apex, one of the Apex accounts. How about that? No, it's too. It's gone. I can't scalp it. It's gone already. 82 is in the crosshair. It's gonna take it out with one spike. Ready? There you go. Okay, 82 taken. Damn it. It was good for a 10-point scalp, but I didn't go in. So now it could be good for a long. Hmm. 575, maybe. This is a terrible session, by the way. This is typically the session where you don't really want to trade. Kill zone is ending in about 43 minutes. And then we have the lunch hour. Maybe the PM session is going to be better. I don't know. Guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. I really am. I am tired. What a boring session. Coffee time. No, I can't drink more coffee. I'm drinking too much coffee already. So, no. Yeah, Joseph is. Yeah, you're right. Boring for Nasdaq. That's true. That's true. All right. So, although Thanos is inevitable, but first NQ wants to go lower. Guys, I can't trade this, so I don't know what to do with this one. The next liquidity level is down at 560. Could be. I like this 5-minute displacement, by the way. I do like it. If I go to the 15-minute chart, I can imagine some good targets. So for example, this 5-minute candle closed like here. What if it would go back up there to the 50% level and then short it from around that area? What would be... Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. So I might gonna take a short on the 5-minute, but only if it would reprice that area. And that would mean that like it would be repricing the gap, actually, because there's a gap, right? If I go to regular trading hours, there's still a gap on NQ. Yeah, there you go. So here's the gap. If I would see a nice retracement back to the 50% level, then I could be shorting it. What's the risk parameter here? Okay. Then I could go short. So close. Done, triggered. All right. Up, baby. Yeah. Let's go, Maverick. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Still going down. Yeah, going down, going down. It's going to reprice this gap, I'm afraid so, without any retracement. I think we're almost already at that gap at 54. Yeah, it's gonna go down. Yeah, there you go. Okay. It's down in the gap. Yeah, so the 5-minute is not valid anymore on my end. The move has been done. So I am done. Was short from 6. Nice. Good one. Good one. Congratulations. Exited at 59. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's a beautiful trade. Very nice. You could hold that. That is awesome. Let me check out the... Where was the gap? The gap is... starts at 487. I don't like this. I don't know. I don't like the short here. If it turns around, no. $487 could be a target for the gap, but yeah, it's repricing. Not my cup of tea. I don't like it. Nothing is moving. Let's see. Good morning, Crypto Panda. How you doing? How you doing? I'm wondering if we're gonna see a sell-off to continue lower to yesterday's CPI or to close the gap. I'm gonna wait for a candle close and we'll see. Did someone go full port with some evaluation accounts? Okay, the 3-minute is already creating a sell opportunity. The 5-minute is just repricing. So still waiting. If this is gonna reprice, let me check it once again. Yeah, it's repricing. Optimal trade entry is at the gap at the 600. If I go and check the 15-minute, oh yeah, the 15-minute, of course. Okay, so the 15-minute could be like almost a, well, it's not a bearish breaker, but could be a sell. Okay, so how about this? I might try a sell here with 1 micro. How about that? How about that? With 1 micro, and I'm going to sacrifice an Apex PA account for that. So 1 micro sell limit. Let's see if I'm gonna get triggered into this trade. Not an A+ setup, but if I look at the risk to reward ratio, I totally forgot to measure it. I mean, yeah, it has the potential. It has the potential. Let me change the chart. So I'm risking about $100 on this one, $108 with this trade. Small risk. Delete this and delete that, not to confuse me. And let's see if it wants to reprice higher. Fair value gap on the 5/15 minute, starting at 98. But let's look at the higher time frame. If this was just a liquidity sweep, then anyway, I'm looking for long entry on NQ now. We took data lows. Okay. $5.98. Let's go. Oh, this is the waiting game, everyone. Just the waiting game. Let me go with the 5 minute here. Yep. Did not go higher. I was looking for that move, but it's not happening. It's not happening. Maybe it will go without repricing any of those gaps. Actually, it can. Getting to the end of the kill zone. It would make sense to reprice these levels and then sell off today, and then Friday rally back higher, right? That would make sense. Triple bottom up can be, yeah. Yeah, Maverick. Feels like it's out of momentum, right? Out of momentum here. So it could be just ranging, but if it takes the 5 minute, then that would be great. Otherwise, it could be going lower. Yeah, look at that. What did I tell you? You said short. I know you did. I had no entry. That's the problem. I had no entry set up on my end. Otherwise, it was a good call. 1500 on all 10 accounts. Jesus Christ, Maverick. I don't know how you do it. I really don't know. You are breaking everything, Maverick. $476 TopStep. Use Rhythmic. Yeah, they have Rhythmic. Yes, Rhythmic. Looks like we already saw the high and low for the day. Yeah. You saw equal lows. You need to test. All right. Man, what a session. With both. Well, yeah, on the 15 minute. So this is the 15 minute. Look at that. Repriced it, but the gap is partially still open. So if it goes up here, it can still go down, I guess. Gotta wait and see. I'm not gonna risk too much on this, only this $100. 110. Oh, I see. So every gap tested for 50% is done. Yeah, I understand. All right. That's you know, clean. That's a clean thing. Let's see if I can get triggered here. What I can do is I can actually trade a funded account with a little bit more aggressive approach, which means I could be taking a little bit more risk, like not just $100, but $200 or $300 on a funded account, on a 50K funded account. So Oh, I see. We will retest the open at 603. Could be. Could be. So far, I'm still waiting if I'm gonna get tagged here or not. So let's see paint bar trading. Let's see. But that's what I think too. I agree with you on that one. Still not there yet. And that's not just a 5-minute gap. That's also a 15-minute gap as well. So, you know. Okay, it didn't go there. I don't even know if it will. Well, let's wait. And until we wait, let's talk about anything. I don't know. What is there to talk about? Let's see. What are we doing here? Are we going to reprice this gap or what? Or are we going to just dump? Dumpage or not? Might be a dumpage. I was drinking coffee in my garden and saw the price touch my initial target at 5:30. You're just teasing me. You're in the garden and see, dude. I would be sitting also somewhere nice, you know, at the beach. Maybe. But that's the way to trade, sitting at your garden. Different trading 476, 480 demand area. I agree. It could go there. I was just hoping that we will reprice above 598. Sorry. Just a quickie phone call. Let's see. If 519 cannot hold, it will go as high as low as 546. Could be. It's just interesting to see that you know, it goes up to here and it's not taking the liquidity at the 15-minute chart, not even on the 5-minute. So 20 points to the upside to take the liquidity, and it's not going for it. So it could be going sideways as well, or sweeping more liquidity below the 60s and then go up. I don't know. But full porting oil. Ooh, be careful. Careful. Oh, there you go. It's going, yeah. So full porting oil. Good luck with it. NQ just swept some liquidity. And now could be going back up to 597. If it's not doing that, then we should be breaking lower all the way to 487. The 5-minute is starting to turn into a barcode chart, so this one could be falling. Yeah, look at that. 10 points to the downside. It's going. It doesn't want to take out that that liquidity. Now it swept this level. So I would say we have one more chance for this one to go back to the highs at 600. Okay, going back. Maybe not. Still no entry. I mean, I have an entry on the 5-minute, but not triggered yet. Going for 98, I think. At least it looked like it. $95 could go to 95 too. To take out the previous high. Terrible session. No entry. Going down again, it seems like it. Let's see how far. Nobody knows. Nobody knows it. Oh man. Not the most ideal conditions, that's for sure. If you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Helps me out with a great deal. And, you know, if you would like to support, we have some good discounts with these prop firms. Take the codes and the links that supports the stream. Thank you guys and ladies. Thank you, thank you. This oil long about to pay better long while you can. I don't trade the oil, that's the thing. So as a rule, I don't enter to a market that I don't usually trade because that would mess up my risk management. But I hope you make some good profits with it. I really do. $17,932 incoming, nice. It just doesn't really want to take this. I mean, we're stuck. Even the 15-minute chart is like a doji. Indecision, totally. Total indecision. What can we do, right? Nobody knows it. Oh, come on, we're so stuck right now. Oh man, it's not doing anything. Anyway, print leaf. I hate losses, so I painted what? I painted falling candles yellow. Alright, you know. Yeah, that's what I did. That's actually a psychological approach. And that's a good thing. Yeah. But yeah, and by the way, there is a study somewhere. I found it online. I just don't know where. That said, actually, the red and the green has. I mean, the red has a worst effect on the candles, so you can reprogram your brain by not watching all the red candles. I mean, with a different color. This thing is playing with my emotions like my narcissistic ex. Paint by trading. What's your definition of kill zone? My definition of kill zone? London session 2 a.m. to 5. New York 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then lunch hour, most likely from around noon. Lunch hour 12 to 1:30, and then the PM session. So yeah. She's your ex. You had a stop loss on your relation. That's actually good. That's like a big truth. That's very true. That I can agree. I can agree. Oh man. This is like so terrible. Maybe we can finally go up, to take that liquidity. But if it wants to go down to close that gap, that's fine by me too. I made $70 on my funded account, but it's just, which account is this? The Bulenox. I just don't like the way it looks. I don't even know if I want to go into a short at my level up there. I might have to delete this limit order. Let's just leave it for a little bit more. But $541. Bye. All right. Let's see W form. It feels very weak. It feels like it's going to fall like super fast from here down to 42. But it swept a little bit of the lows. What a mind game here. This is like just, you're pushing it, but it's hard. I like men who take risk. I trade without stop loss. That's awesome. I like that. I like the approach. I approve that. Approved. Oh, dude. Let me check the 15-minute. Still looks good for a possible short, but we would need price to go higher. What's the time? The kill zone officially ended. Approaching lunch hour. Man, I wish I could, you know, tell something about these charts, but this is so bad. Seems like it wants to go. Wants to take out those lows. Very, very weak. Repricing the 1 minute. I don't want to scalp because I hate to scalp. I'm not good in scalping. But sometimes I see some very good opportunities, but what about the news? Okay, nothing yet. Can this one go down or up? Someone just tell me. Because currently, it's not doing anything. I don't see Head and Shoulders. I see. I can see it too. Oh, guys, it's really terrible. It feels like it just wants to take out that level, or I don't know. I'm gonna delete this trade. No pending order. Okay, so as I just deleted my limit order, I see a push. So this one could be a trap for the bears, luring in everyone to the shorts to push it lower. And now they just want to squeeze everybody higher. Look at all this. Look at all this. We have equal highs up there, I think. Yeah. Looking the 5 minute. Almost a structure shift, right? What's the high? Sorry, the close 68. The high is 60. Okay, closed higher. I can't scalp. I lost 40 cents on my other funded account. 40 cents. How am I going to get myself over with this? This chat is very funny, unlike the NQ. And NQ is definitely not funny today, guys. It's not funny. All right. I think this is it. I just can't. I can't. It's taking too much out of me. Yeah, 0.40 cent. I lost 40 cents. I'm gonna show you guys. I tried to scalp on my funded account, and this is how I ended up. Look at that. Actually, more. Sorry, 80 cents. How much is that? 80 cents. I lost 80 cents. So I started with 51,290.40 cents, and now I'm down to 289.60. So down 80 cents. So what the hell, man? I don't get it. And now it's playing tricks again. So I'm down today 80 cents on this account. The other account is okay. But I know it's nothing. I'm just fooling around, of course. I don't care. I don't care if I lose 50 bucks is all right to me. This is even 100. It's fine. If I would lose 500 now, that would be causing me some, well, a little bit of a bad feeling that I'm effed up something. But I mean, you know, comparing to my usual risk management, I can't take this, guys. I just can't take this. This price action is so terrible. Maybe the PM session will gonna be luckier. I don't know, guys. This is painful. Actually, I'm feeling pain. Well, I don't know. Short squeeze comes 603, 633. Yeah, that would be the short squeeze. But are we gonna go for it? I think we will. I mean, it should. Such a bad price action. I can't. Just can't. Guys, I can't. This is just... Okay, that's it. I give up, guys. I can't do this. This is terrible. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in London session. This price action is very bad. Thank you for staying with me and supporting, and for the chat. Please subscribe and like the stream if you haven't already. Also, if you would like to support, use the codes. Thank you guys for being here. Have a safe trading session. And, you know, I think take the rest of the day off because this is dead meat. All right. Guys, thank you so much again for being here. See you guys in the London session next time. All right. Thank you again. Cheers, everybody. Oh, my soundboard is not working. I wanted to wave. All right. Bye, everyone.